Right.
Taco Bell
Yeah.
with my yeah, I was at Taco Bell with my parents this weekend, and they're waiting for like 10 minutes for like a cashier to come, and I'm like, I am pretty sure they want you to be using this tablet over here.
Yeah.
Like they
Yeah.
make it painful to not use the software.
Yeah, like I'm getting pinged right now to go eat or stand up, right? You know, like
Right.
that should be someone else. You should do that, right? Hey, you're gonna eat.
Yep. So what's your biggest lesson since you started your YouTube channel? What's some of the struggles you've gone through here? What's one of the biggest learning things that you've learned from being new to this community and kind of just obviously you had some done some research for starting a channel, but what's been probably the hardest thing or the biggest lesson you've learned since starting it?
Yeah, that one I think is even continual. I don't know about your experiences, but I feel like every day I'm learning something new, right? Create some videos and I'm like, I think this will be good. And then it's like, I don't know if maybe you're watching it, no comments. And then videos, I'm like, people are like, no, that's not going to work. They actually did the best. And I'm like, why is